me be fa eyeshadow no na me de akọ menino hole no esro apampem eno no upstairs.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her
back again. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can already tell by the title, I am going to attempt to do a makeup tutorial in tree. This was something I posted on Snapchat and a lot of you guys were like, do it. So y'all better be watching this video. Try my very best to have subtitles for you guys to follow along. This is something that I really wanted to do. I haven't seen anybody do a tree makeup tutorial, literally tree makeup tutorial here. Not following me, make sure you are following me on Snap. Join the fam over at Snap. I'll leave it right here, somewhere down there, so you can click on and follow me on Snap. Alright, and now I might get to camera screen. Now you're focusing, because I think it's the introduction, then you're focused. It's your best to makeup tutorial in tree, what you're saying. It's right now, my eyebrows and my eyebrows not already off camera. Me, you just pencil, okay. So first thing I maybe take here, my concealer way, Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and when you're number 30, but you know about be cleaning my eyebrow no, and it's nice and sharp. You know, area now what the powder I had a boss. What the powder the boss na I had a concealing I concealing you kind of say in tree minim. What the powder the boss re now what the concealer never when you see re now what the powder na had what the powder na boss and they say setting or Ghana tree minim how mo canoti me say me TBB among kind of comment section because and yet like me who since the meeting car and said to all the bebos so the bobos keke what the bobos next I day I said to him we now bobos we now feel me move on to me face and may eyes in later right now me be me nim to be you suit me primer when you buy Pop Beauty when you move face magnet primer and me be me and no na me dey me dey I day me dey foundation and maybe you soon hear a NYX Total Drop when you're trying to drop I said dropping once I didn't oh my red run now they dropping no and I maybe they made ever foundation shading when I think the way you cool tone so I mean one more shred description bar no
is the main attraction. Your yarn shows a house to be a mansion. When you're on the road, it is a distraction. All the things you wear are the latest fashion. See your yarn so big, wonder how you function. Hips to your waist is out of proportion. Trip down your backside is like excursion. You can take my money, I don't mind extortion. When your boss in the corner, check out your romance. I feel tensed up when
right now so right now with the foundation no afa me the concealing the be highlighted under my eyes, bridge of my nose, me hwene the bridge no me mama so and the man no say what you say next I bring it back dimension until you be used to just very little of this concealer because concealer when you're very creamy and it Maybe I na made the contour stick. Contour stick we a black up makeup black up can make up black opal. Made a concealer stick when be yet make contour way number 4. It's be the dark one no be a contour. Next I bring it back dimension. Also right now no me di be fa menim ti ama ase like menim na ye flat. It's right now no when ba be yet ever bring it back dimension and it as a shadow back on menim one ti when and you know me be use to reveal powder no eyeshadow powder me use to this dark brown I said brown pink color be sound me dey no be started eyeshadow the process no me anything dramatic make up for something very settled make up for something at that boko and yes settle your country something at that boko and me use no in rotation motion na me dey no na me dey started I made place maybe places that colorway or me crease and above crease no crease you kind of say with you kind of crease you kind of means me come on fancha me be fat eyeshadow no na me dey akọ menino hole no esro up pampem and no upstairs and no esro hole no to me be ye no round round circle na me dey what you see enti ye start it making sure say no access to powder so when say be too harder to blend enti me be no say ya
Get on some real yard shit. Coming on it like this. No one girl can satisfy me. Me need more fuel for the lime green. Me no one girl can deny me. Me no see me change shiny but white.
It's me around my JUVIAS place or more when you Nubian too no. Na my first shade way no so na me sad ya bought and also so salty. First color na me de me de fast so no me sad ya no say kofa and also so. To me Rihanna my fat naked palette na me use to waste your friend the ashes and only a deeper brown color na me dey no asa ko baby I me the first color na ye the crease na nkasa and you me the color first on the fire but crease na nkasa one na me dey me dey ba be a dark inside area hono what you see. Marian on me fat another JUVIAS place when you almost SAHARA by JUVIAS no my fat black eyeshadow we know me de kakrebi ebe defined it color making it more dark one who's after like my statue already off camera me and me who's the camera and record inti sa me de deepen it say keke. Camera na me the eyelash na ye de etwetwe me di no so nti in the description bar na me be bia beto ha ma mo na say some who pad the credit was as a mean show camera ni ma on na say matimi aye de matimi akohwe baby e won nti right now no same color na me de fa me ni na se no me de fa me crease no me de mix these two colors na me de aye de me de smoke out the bottom of my lash. Now, the areas now the cream contour and fire, no. Maybe you should NIKKI contour dual powder in dark. That might end in my sexy area. And let's say oil based in the free cream now a cup. Now I'm taking my MAC mineralized and finish powder in deep dark. Now I'm doing this society. I go on top of everything. So for blushing, if I'm a MAC a rasin blush, where my favorite. So it's a blush I'm a pepper right now. Like which are most of my tutorials now. Who's the way I'm used to majority of the time. To be used to and I'm media fat my phone no a apple never my phone no. It's next me babe highlighting. See, I did me highlighting here. This highlighter palette here, Diamond Glow highlighter kit. Me the link and everything better down below. It's be used to Bueno. Now I'm mixing it with Bueno. When I said transparent holographic shade binti. And me who tree can't. Timon and Chebeka cra. To me, no never there, me the babe highlighting.
Pour me water, holy water, quench this fire. Pour me water, some holy water, make it quench this fire. Everybody want me, make I no fall in love with you. But I no answer them, I tell them say now you.
So now I'm lining my lips. Me use suit dark brown lip liner. Me Rihanna may use NYX lingerie lip, you know, require say ruffle trim.
Brown skin girl with the highway shorts. Yeah, with her makeup on, pressing on the triggers. See, they wanna ride the wave, they can't surf like us. They can't surf like us, so no. With a brown skin girl with the highway shorts.